Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money from a bank on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. If you don't have it, of course, you can go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and open the application to actually then click at getting started. You'll find it there, or create your account, of course, to create your account if you don't have it. If you don't know how to follow the steps of creating your account, all you need to do, just go and check one of our videos on the channel on how to create your account on how to register on Coinbase application. So if you have an account already, ignore all of that, click at sign in or login at the top right corner, and you will be good to go. So for me, I'm just going here to open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, or as you already did, to follow this tutorial steps. So that will actually be your home or your main screen on Coinbase application. So if you want to deposit money from a bank on Coinbase or application, all you need to do, just go and click at the three lines at the top left corner from here. Then you'd like to click at profile and settings from here. So if you have an option called here add payment method or payment method, that's cool. So just scroll down. If you find it, that's great. But if you don't, just go back and click at the browser at the bottom right corner right here. So for me, they are saying to me we're having connection issues because I'm using the application on sorry, what is it? A simulator, yeah. So I'm having this issue. But for you, all you need to do, just open the settings from there, from the browser right here, and of course the settings of your account. Then you'd like to click at add payment method. Then all you need to, or you will have even the option of deposits. So just go and select that. So in the currency field, type USD or select the USD. Then select the bank account tab, of course. Then from the drop down menu, select the verified bank account you would like to deposit from, and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.